Hello friends, this is Sanjay Kumar, founder of SelectorSub. Most expensive bug. Actually, I believe like all the bugs are really expensive because they directly impact your users and the business. And the one becomes the most expensive one when it breaks the functionality of your application. So something similar once happened, which I found the bug in SelectorSub. Like I was doing some corner case fix. Because of that, I broke the normal flow of XPath generation, so that directly immediately impacted all the users. But before it would have impacted, I fixed that issue. So that was like one of the most expensive bugs so far for me. And talking about the can everyone do the testing? So I believe like I'm coming from the chemical engineering background, and I started with the development, and now then testing, and then again as a creator developing tools. So if I believe if I can do the testing, yes, of course everybody can do the testing. But yes, of course everybody is every person in this world is a tester. But doing a software testing, that's a different thing, and doing impactful software testing, that's another next thing. So for that you will have to definitely put some effort. You will have to learn the things, you will have to understand the functionality, you will have to understand the technology, everything. For that you will have to put a good amount of effort to learn things, so that you start raising valid bugs, you start giving the impactful quality releases. So yes, everyone can become the testers, but yes, you will have to learn the things. Then talking about what is the future beyond automation. So every day new technology, new tools are coming, and things are growing rapidly these days. AI ML is there. So yes, the basic fundamental, I believe basic things will always be there, like the testing, which the fundamental concepts of manual testing, which generally we used to call. So that is going to remain always be there. But yes, automation is coming, it is evolving with the help of AI ML, new tools like SelectorSub, Test Case Studio, and so many tools are coming in picture, which is helping a lot and making things easier to do the testing, to do the development. So yes, things will keep on coming, but whatever is there, that will always be going to be there. So the future is always there for testing till the time if software development is there, then software testing is there. So that is going to be always there. It's like two faces of a coin. If development is there, then testing will always be there. Then another thing, what all the current technologies and tools which our automation test engineer or tester should aware about. So I believe we should always be or keep ourselves updated with the latest technology and tools, whatever trends is there. But definitely if one is there in the space of automation testing, I would suggest one should aware about and learn about the Selenium, Appium, these new tools which are evolving and helping, like SelectorSub, Test Case Studio. So many other good projects are coming, so many other trending tools which are helping a lot of people. So all we should learn about those technology, learn the basic concepts of if you just wanted to start in automation, you should aware about the maybe basic Java, Selenium, you can start. That's how I started my career. So that is the reason I can suggest that yes, that is a really good thing to start with the career on automation testing. But yes, you should be always strong with the fundamental concepts of testing, how does testing works, how does it helps in the raising valid bugs, and how can you give the quality products to your customers. So those all things are there. So keep updated yourself, because what I will talk today, maybe tomorrow it might not be valid, because tools comes and goes, technology comes and goes. So keep yourself updated with the latest tech and technologies, tools. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing. Thank you so much. Bye bye.